Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. This unboxing is from GBFKE. They did send me these items for review, so thank you to GBFKE. This was actually part of my last GBFKE PR package, but it came as a separate, it came separately, much later. So not as many things to unbox on this, and they actually accidentally gave me this again. But I will do this again. It's keychains. My plan is to inundate, like, just do. I was trying to say a more fancy word, and I realize I can't pronounce things. I plan to do a lot of keychains, so I'm like, I'll do it again. So this first thing here, I don't actually have one. This is a drill grinder. Oh, is this just a magnet? Is there a magnet? Oh yeah, there is a magnet. So there's a metal piece here and then a metal piece there. So it's a magnet. And then, does this come off? Okay, so I was thinking for whatever reason that would go into the other one, but I'm like, how would it do that? So this is for drills. I was like, right before this video, I was looking, because I'm on a diamond painting I'm working on right now. There's been a couple colors that have been stuck together, and I could not for the life of me find any examples. So sometimes drills, like, they get stuck together, and usually I just leave them for last, and I hope I have enough. But in case they're not, you're supposed to be able to use this to grind it. I've never had a drill grinder, so I just chose random drills. I probably didn't even need them to be grinded, but I figured try them out. So this thing is on their site for $1. So, wait. Usually I use euros because I think euros is their main thing. So it's 99 cents in euros. So I don't know, I feel like so this is supposed to be able to grind the drills so that they can be separated. It could probably work. Usually what I do is just like leave them for last, and then I try to, if I really need to use the drills that are stuck together, then I'd work on taking them apart by squishing them. But now I'm like, let's try it. So like I said, I don't know if it worked because I don't have any. I was trying to find examples, but I couldn't find any. But yeah, it made a nice sound, right? So I do like its magnet. It's a much more, I don't know, sophisticated than I thought it would be. Yes, I'm thrilled by little things. So next diamond painting is a keychain, which you've already seen because I've already finished it. And it's these flower keychains. I'm going to do them over. So these flower keychains here, they are double-sided. And there. So yeah, they accidentally sent this to me in both shipments. Like I said, the first one came, and then I think they were out of stock of something, so these came later. So that's why this is only a small amount. So let's look at the drills here. So Rhinestones here. These are really pretty colors there. And some purples, pinks, and greens. And then these teardrops here. And then more teardrops, and more teardrops, and more teardrops. So these work really well for the flower petals. I'm usually very happy with flower petals when they're being diamond painted with teardrops. So this on the site is $5.49 in euros. And I usually just say the price in the original Oh wait, I forgot. I was like, I'm pretty sure there was more. So some yellow drills and then some marquees here. I usually like to say the price in the original price because that's how I usually, like, whenever I buy anything that's not in US dollars, I get charged the euro price, and then my credit card is the one that converts the conversions. Yeah. I don't know what I'm talking about. So this next one, last one here is, did I had to pause there a little bit and look for it because I accidentally had closed the tab. So this one is $7.49 in euros. So ordinary toolkit. These are round drills. And here it is. Let me move you up. So there. So it's these lights, candles in jars here with some. Whoops! I know what those flowers are called, but they are. I'm blanking. I'm blanking. So there, and it is 35 by 44. So let's move you down here. There is 24 colors. All those symbols are letters, and that's a lot of confetti. I think the drill feel looks okay. There's no E and F, is there? There is an F and an E, but they're different colors. One is a white letter and one's a black letter. So yeah, lots of confetti in this. I foresee myself in all these like firefly lights and the light on the candle using rhinestones for this. And look at the drills here. So some white, yellow, blue, brown, some blue, yellow, brown, now some green here, more blue. Lots of blue in this one. Yellow, green, purple, some grays, some purples, some pinks. So lots of purples, blue, grays, with some yellows thrown in there for the lights. So that's the last one I'm showing here. So here's the keychains, which I should take out to show you again here. Here's the drill grinder. As much as I want to say I'm going to finish everything in this video, I might not finish everything in this video, but you will see these keychains, even if I have to pull out my first finish of them. You won't know, will you? So yeah, I will see you later, hopefully with some finish. So I'm back and the keychains are done. So yeah, I forgot to print out my thumbnail, but there were 5 pieces and they were double-sided, partial drill with 20 colors, 13 crystal rhinestones, and 7 specials. I thought the rendering was fine. Everything was fine. I don't think I really had any issues. I did add a couple drills where there was space. So sometimes you see it and you're like, I don't know why there's a drill, why there isn't a drill there. So I did add some. I think, which one was it? I think it might have been this one. Maybe. No, I think it was the pink one. These ones, maybe there was not as much space for the ones, I don't know if it will focus, for those ones there, but I put them in because I was like, I can squeeze them in. So that's why it might not look like the best placement, but I would rather have more drills in there. So, and this took me 1 hour and 39 minutes to complete. So you might have seen me do these before because I think GBFKE accidentally sent me them twice, probably because the first shipment was only a partial shipment, and that's why this one is only a not, that's why I didn't finish many on this one, because I actually wasn't expecting the package to come. I thought, oh, okay, they only had stock of the other items. But yeah, so here are the flowers here. Yeah, I do remember when I first did this, I kind of wish that the petals were the same. Like, see, for these, with these being the clear blue, and then while these being like the more like pearly opaque blue, and then the same thing with this being this orange, and then these being that clear thing, that I kind of wish that they were the same, either like either the clear or the not clear, and just, but maybe that's just all there was in these type of drills. So, and these ones are awesome too, because there, and this one looks great too. So I did already seal these, so I used a spray sealer. So FYI, I found this on this when I did this one, is seal one side at a time and then wait like a couple days to let the front side, one side seal before you flip it, before you flip it around and seal the other side. Because what I was finding is it was sticking to my box that I was sealing on. So because I would turn it around before it was completely dry. So make sure to let the one side completely dry, because yeah, I guess I'm impatient. So that is all I have finished for this. I did kit up the other diamond painting. I just haven't gotten to it. So I'll get to it, maybe, who knows, at some point. Because it's kitted up, right? I'll just see it and be like, oh, I want to do that one. So that's all I have finish-wise. So thank you to GBFKE for sending these items for review. And thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye!